So how to make a Talkie AI. So if you just tap on your menu in top left, and then you can just tap create my Talkie, and then from here you can just select which Talkie, which gender you want to create, and then just set as public or not, and then you can just tap start, and then you add reference image, which is optional. You can create the image from prompt, which you can just use this, and then just tap generate. You will need to wait. You don't need to be upgraded for this. So as you can see, this is just works in a free version. But yeah, basically here you're creating your own AI chatbot, which is quite cool. And then, you can collect some following with this chatbot. So yeah, for example, you can just select the photo. There are different styles. And then you can just pick reference image, and then just you just name your Talkie. Whatever, just some description. So tag, and then prologue, add your whatever. You can just add some dialogues, and then just tap next, and then just create voice, and then whatever. So you can just experiment, just depending what you want to create, and then you just create your copyright agreement.
Hi there.
And then that's just what it is there, and that's how you created it. Then it will need to take some time for it to pass the review, and then when the review is passed, you will be able to actually use it more in advanced way, and people can follow it, and there can be more connections and all of that stuff. So yeah, that's just basically the process. As you can see, I created it, but it's still not appearing in the list here. So that's just what it is.